In today's video, I will put you through on how to get Microsoft Office 365 for free, which Microsoft recently called or named Microsoft 365. So whether you hear Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office 365, we are saying the same thing, okay? You can use that even when you don't have the money to pay for subscription. Let's get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to connect your PC to the internet. This will allow us to access the Office platform. All right, you can see mine is connected to a Wi-Fi named GTech. Okay, after that, open your web browser. So here, let me use Microsoft Edge. So I will click on it for it to open. As the web browser opens, visit office.com. Okay, can see the web link here, office.com. Then I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this, all right? If you don't have an account with Microsoft, you will see a sign up button. Okay, you see a sign up button. But here I have an account already with Microsoft, and that is why it's showing my email address. It can be Gmail, it can be Outlook, okay, it can be Hotmail, it can be any email service. All right, so don't be deceived with this. So I will click on sign in to be signed in, okay. But if you don't have account, you will see a link telling you to sign up under here. Okay, it's because the system detected that I have account here. That's why it's showing me these ones here. Okay, once you sign in successfully or sign up, which after you sign in, you will see an interface that looks like this. Okay, that is the next first step. You see an interface that looks like this. Here it's telling me coming soon. The Microsoft 365 app will become Microsoft 365 Copilot app. So Office is making some changes, okay? Microsoft 365 is gonna be Microsoft 365 Copilot app. It's okay. We are in the era of AI. You say the same app with access to more capabilities, all right? Update your bookmark to the new URL my m365.cloud.microsoft. It's okay, no problem. So you can access this Office platform now with this web link. That is what it's telling you. m365.cloud.microsoft. It will take you to this same page. Beautiful. I love that. Then let's get to what we want to do here. You can see here at this left margin, you can see some apps. You can see Word, you can see Excel, you can see PowerPoint, you can see Outlook, you can see OneDrive. And that is what Microsoft 365 is. Microsoft 365 simply means apps that are contained, Microsoft apps that are contained in one. So you can see here, Microsoft apps are in just this one platform. So if you want to use Word, you click on Word. If you want to see more apps, you click on apps. Okay, so this will list a lot of apps for you: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, Teams, Clipchamp. All right, Calendar, Designer, Editor, Forms, List, Loop, Microsoft. So a lot of them. All right, a lot of them you can use from here. Okay, so let's say I want to use Word here. I will click on Word. It will open and I will start doing what I want to do. Okay, if I want to use the blank document, I'll click on blank and it will open. I will create what I want to create. So let's hold on. Okay, you can see a new page has opened, so I can start typing anything I want to type. All right. Okay, so just like you do in desktop app, after that you highlight, maybe you want to format, you bold, and the rest. Okay, maybe if you are done with working on the document and you want to have it locally in your PC, that is when to save it inside your computer. It's simple to do. What you need to do is just click on File. All right, click on Create a Copy, click on Download a Copy. Okay, and this will show up here. Then click on Download a Copy again. Okay, so that document file will be downloaded locally in your laptop, all right, or computer, depending the type you're using, and you can start doing a thing from there. Okay. So that is that. If you finish and you want to download the file, okay, let me close this. Then let's get back to this page. If you want to access a cell, the same thing applies. Okay, you click on a cell and you are taken to this page. Then you can select blank workbook. All right, you start doing what you want to do from here. All right, so which after you can still do what? Save into your PC. Okay, just cool. Just cool. You can give this a name here. Maybe you change the default name. You can call it anything of your choice. Let me call this rail. Enter key and it's saved. All right. So this is how you work with all these. And there's something important I want to let you know here. Any file you are creating through this website, Office website, is saved automatically. There is no save button here. Is saved automatically on cloud. So if you visit onedrive.com, you will still see that same file there. Maybe you're working on the file and you didn't finish with it, or you didn't finish with it. You come back next time, you can visit onedrive.com, sign in, and then you continue, all right, from where you stopped. Okay, let's experiment that. .com, or you can still visit the same office.com. You see the file there among the recent files. Okay, so but let's just access OneDrive to see if this is true. Okay, you can see I'm on OneDrive.com. You can see the file under Home tab. The real file that I just created is here. So I can start working from here, from where I stopped previously. This is document one I first created. Okay, let's get back to this page again and see what we have here. Okay, all right, so we are back here on the Office 365, Microsoft 365 homepage. If you want to use PowerPoint, you click. If you want to use Outlook, you click, and you do your thing from here. So with this, you don't need to pay extra money for any Microsoft 365 suite. You have everything at your fingertip from here. It is that simple, okay? I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on technology, which cuts across software use and other things you can do that has to do with technology. Okay, so subscribe to learn by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the like button, okay, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions concerning this or anything that has to do with Microsoft apps. Just drop that in the comment section. You can watch this video here to learn in detail on how to use a specific Office app. Okay? Thank you and see you some other time.